Namaste dear friends, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. So today again we are continuing with illustrations for the Sanskrit poetic meter, that is Pushpitagra. Pushpitagra Chandas illustrations. In this video I am giving you the second illustration. So for the benefit of all those who don't know, as usual I will be giving the lyrics on the YouTube screen. Today I am taking up a very highly popular Lakshmi Stotra. In Mahalakshmi Stotra, every day or every Friday many people chant this. It is highly popular Mahalakshmi Stotra. But what many people don't know is that it is composed in Pushpitagra Chandas. It will be amazing to know and wonderful to enjoy these things, Sanskrit poetry. So we just examine what is this shloka and apply Pushpitagra pattern on this. So Lakshmi Pushpitagra Stotra. Lakshmi Pushpitagra Stotra. Here I go. सरसि जनिलये सरोजहस्ते धवलतमां शुकगन्धमाल्यशोभे भगवति हरिवल्लभे मनोज्ञे त्रिभुवनभूतिकरि प्रसीद मह्यम्. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So almost every one of you know this shloka, highly popular Lakshmi Stotra, but we will just examine the Pushpitagra Chandas. Many people don't know that it is composed in Pushpitagra Chandas. Anyway, it is a great joy to know about these Chandas and enjoying poetry. That is it. So we will just examine the Pushpitagra pattern on this shloka now. First padam says Sarasi Janilaye Sarojahaste. So first padam, the Pushpitagra Lakshana Sutra says Ayuji Nayuga Refato Yakaro Nayuga Refa Yakara we should get. So Sarasi we are getting as 000, that is na. First na we got Janila we are getting as again 000, and second na Yuga we got Ye Haste Ye Saro we are getting as on Refa Ye Saro. Jahaste we are getting as 011, that is Yakara. So Nayuga Refato Yakara we got Sarasi Janilaye Sarojahaste Nayuga Refato Yakara, 12 letter we are getting pattern. Nayuga Refa Yakara we are getting it. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So moving on to the second line now. Dhavala tamam shuka gandhamalya shobhe. So second line the sutra says Yujicha Najau Jaragascha Pushpitagra. So second line should be 13 lettered, the pattern should be Najau Jaragascha. We will examine now. Dhavala Tamam Shuka. Dhavala we are getting as 1000, that is Nagana. Tamam Shu we are getting as 010, that is Jagana, that is Najau we got. Kagandha we are again getting as Jagana. Najau Ja we got in the sutra. Then Ragascha we have to check. Malyasho we are getting as a Refa, that is Ragana we are getting Bhe is the final Guru. So Dhavala Tamam Shuka Gandhamalya Shobhe we are getting as Najau Jaragascha, that is 13 letter we got the exact pattern. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So moving on to the third line now. Tribhuvana Bhuti Karit Prasida Mahyam. That is the fourth line. Third line is Bhagavati Harivallabe. Bhagavati Harivallabe. We have to check, that is Yujicha Najau Jaragascha. We have to get the Ayuji Nayuga Refato. We have to come back again. Ayuji Nayuga Refato Yakaro Bhagavati Harivallabe. Bhagava we are getting as 000, that is first Nagana. Tihari we are getting as, that is second Nagana we are getting. Nayuga we got. Then Bhagavati Hari. Bhagavati Hari. Vallabhe is a Refa. Manogne is a Yakara. Fantastic, my dear friends. So we got double Nagana and Refa and Yakara in the third line also. Bhagavati Hari Vallabhe. Very simple. Fantastic. So moving on to fourth line says Tribhuvana Bhuti Karit Prasida Mahyam. Tribhuva we are getting as one Nagana. Nabhuti we are getting as Jagana. Najau we got. Riprasi we are getting as one that is Jarau again. Jarau we have to get Tribhuva Nabhuti Karipra. Karipra we are getting as Jagana again. Sidama. Sidama is a refa. Najau jara we got, and then him. Sidamahyam. Prasidamahyam. That is last is the Guru Yam. Him. So that is it. Fantastic. So my dear friends, so this is highly popular Lakshmi Stotra, exactly satisfying the Pushpitagra pattern. It is composed in Pushpitagra Chandas. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? It's a great joy to know about the Chandas. So we'll just chant this, recite this Stotra, Lakshmi's Pushpitagra Stotra with devotion and wrap up this video. Here I go. Sarasi Janilaye Sarojahaste धवलतमां शुकगन्धमाल्यशोभे भगवति हरिवल्लभे मनोज्ञे त्रिभुवनभूतिकरि प्रसीद मह्यम्. Fantastic, my dear friends. So we enjoyed the melody, chandas and also the devotion. So in the upcoming video we will take up one more illustration for Pushpitagra and other chandas also will deal. Until then, bye for now. This is Suhas Debate signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony Jayanagar Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762331815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Thank you. Hari Om Swasti. Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.